your eyeshadow, you want to start off from lightest to the darkest. So the lightest is going to start at the top, and then the darkest will finish at the base of your eye. A trick for anyone who has a small lid space like me is to go over your crease line some. I did mine a little bit more dramatic this time, but to go over the crease line so you can see it more when you apply everything.
Sipping on Dom Perignon for no reason. Popping tags up a echelon for no reason. Seen this bad little John, she was perfect. I let her push the foreign right now, is she worth it? Falling in the middle of the club, no jersey. I don't want no liquor cause I've been drinking that dirty. Bring that ace by the case, my niggas with me. Bring some ice for my cup, I drink with me. Diamond, 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 diamonds on me dancing. 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 Diamond, 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 diamond. Diamond, 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 diamond.
And with the under eye, we're going to reverse what we did with the top of our eye. So we're going to start with the darkest eyeshadow and build our way to the lightest eyeshadow.
And you know what I need from you when I get home. You better not be on the phone talking up a storm like you usually do. Talking to your friends like you usually do. Telling them I never spend time with you. It's hard to find a time. We've been sipping on Dom Perignon for no reason. Popping tags up a echelon for no reason. Seen this bad little John, she was perfect. I let her push the foreign right now, is she worth it? Diamond, 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 diamonds on me dancing. Diamond, 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 diamonds on me dancing. Diamond, 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 diamond.
Thank you for watching my video. If you liked this video and it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you aren't already a subscriber. And I love you all. Bye.